Hi, I'm Kenya Christian, guest community artist located in Springdale. I've been making art for 35 years. I usually make art using watercolors, acrylics, oils, and enamels. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own artwork inspired by Kerry James Marshall, using the materials in your kit. Step 1. Think of a time or place you are familiar with. You know it by heart. There's something about it that may not be what it seems to someone who doesn't know it, and your artwork will explain it. Step 2. Sketch it out on the canvas with pencil first, and once you have it the way you want, begin your artwork. You can use the acrylic paint or markers. Use the paint palette to add dabs of the paint from the bottles, and then add other dabs from the bottles to mix together and create additional colors. Tips. Think about how you'll title your work while sketching. It will help you to decide how and where to incorporate it within your artwork. You can also think about the sounds and smells of the time or place to help you decide on the colors to use. The markers can be used to simply color in an area, or you might experiment with using a small amount of water on your brush to diffuse the color, just as when using watercolor paint. It's okay if your colors get smudged. That's part of the process. You can use the tissue paper with the acrylic paint. It sticks to it well as long as the paint is tacky, or kind of sticky, or not quite dry but not too wet. It will not work with the markers. Remember, if you want to mix your own colors, that combining red and blue will make purple, yellow and red will make orange, and blue and yellow will make green. You can use your white paint to lighten any of your colors as well. For example, adding white to red will give you pink. Use the metallic paint and dark color markers. Only use the markers after your work is dried down to accent or highlight areas of your work that you want the viewer to see. Add your title to your work. It is part of your completed work. When you're done, please be sure to clean up your area and put your leftover materials back into your My Museum kit. I hope you had fun, and thanks so much for creating art with me today. With an adult's permission, take a photo or video of your finished artwork and post it to social media using the hashtag MyMuseumKit. Until next time, enjoy creating.